we brought the big guns. A hurricane is upon us. Look at that gap in there. If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikers.com. Link in the description. The G2 Pro. That was the scooter I started YouTube with. The G2 Pro. And I'm getting pretty tired of it. It's pretty broken right now. Awesome! It doesn't even turn on anymore. I think it's safe to say that scooter is pretty abused with over 5,000 kilometers on it. I should make it better. Let's do it. The G2 Pro. It's time to make it good. Oh man, this is not my lock. I'll have to get Bro to unlock it. Okay, so first of all, let's get rid of this mess. What is going on here, bro? Okay, so the deck. I'm gonna work on everything. Okay, next up, yeah, let's remove everything. I'm gonna put all of the screws and stuff in a box. These are the phase wires. Alright, so the front cover should come out. Next, all of these side covers. This holds memories, bro. Ooh. But taking stuff apart is so fun. Okay, this is the display. Side cover is off. This is the next one. Wait, the screws are in the rear for this one. Hold on, I'ma just... But this is so light. Good luck to me when I'm gonna put this back together. The controller. I mean, the controller is pretty much out. Come on, get out. Bro, this is so empty. Let's take the wheels off. Give me a wrench. Will you come out? This is a motor. I'm gonna use it actually. Woo! Look at this, bro. We have a bare frame. Yeah, don't mind this. This is backwards. I'm gonna first take off the brake caliper. But trust me, this is gonna be the best G2 Pro. Yeah, bro, I don't think it's supposed to do this. I should take the steering pole off. Okay, so the steering pole is out. Look, bro, I have a pickaxe. Let's continue. This is so light. I should just take the whole handlebar off. But how tight are... But why am I not just doing this? So I'm not gonna use this anymore. This is also gonna get painted. This swing arm is out. Oh yeah, bro, we brought the big guns. No way! Ain't no way, bro, opened it. The sledgehammer worked. This is pretty much the bare frame. This just gets out. I'm gonna put these screws in here just so I remember. Okay, this should be a little easier. It's time to start painting this thing. We got the paint. The rear assembly is almost finished. Look at this, bro. This paint looks so good. We are working on the whole deck because the paint didn't stick too well. And then this part right here will be painted an accent color. It's gonna be a 2-color build. And we have this many pieces left to paint. The motor is done. Thick phase wires. So this is the middle part of the rear section. This is paint in progress. These 3 are finished. And this is the bigger deck, which is in progress. G2 Pro is gonna look insane. Okay, now we take the pickaxe. We're gonna start painting it. Oh my days, bro. Okay, let's start painting this. I'm gonna do a few coats of paint. Don't do it all at once, because it will look bad. We have paint vapors in the air. Rip lungs. Damn, bro, it's starting to look pretty good. Coming together, bro. It's pretty much assembled. Everything is painted. This G2 Pro is gonna look so cool, bro. We just got some more paint because the old one ran out. And also I got some silicone to seal the scooter. I wanna make it waterproof. I'm gonna put the G2 Master to charge. Check this out, bro. The G2 Master finally has a charging port. I just go here and plug it in. The G2 Master is charging. Now, let's work on the G2 Pro. Move all this out of the way. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal this right here with some silicone. So water can't get in. I'm gonna make this scooter 100% waterproof. I should take the motor off actually. Look at that gap in there. It's like 1 millimeter. This thing is so strong, bro. Bro, did you see that? Ah, with that ass. The neighbor just started mowing the lawn. Now the rear section just comes out and this is falling. The anvil. Let's open the silicone. Okay. And some on these. Should be sealed up now. Water will never get in this thing ever. Let's put the motor back on. The brake caliper goes back on. Oh my days, bro, there's so much tape on this shit. So yeah, we just painted it. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, so this just goes on here. Let's center it. Yeah, something like this. Now I'm just gonna tighten these screws right here. No way, bro. We have a handlebar on. I mean, a steering pole. Damn, bro, no play. I'm gonna ride it like this. Shouldn't this go more in? Now just gotta tighten that screw there. Now we gotta put a handlebar on it. Okay, we got a handlebar. Now I'ma just put the brake on. This is the hydraulic brake hose. This just goes in here. I think it's enough. Actually, this would be easier. Okay, now let's put the fitting in there. Okay, and now this just goes in here. Yeah, Michael, I have a problem. Now, the battery, let's actually put some foam in there. Hold on, let me find some foam. The motor wires are gonna get pulled through here. So, this will be the controller for now. The goofy flip sky is just a temporary solution. I'm gonna put a real VESC on it someday. So, the wires... and the last phase wire. So the phase wires are in there. Now this will connect to the controller. Okay, so this is the controller. Now it's time to connect the throttle. Positive, negative, and ADC. Now this just goes in here. Okay, so this should be the throttle wire. Connect the battery and it should be pretty much done. Now it's time to connect the motor to the controller. These are the phase wires. Yeah, this is fine. The connector is too small. I guess I'm gonna replace both sides then. Let me put the connectors on all of the wires and then I'm gonna solder them. Do they fit? Of course they fit. Let's put some heat shrink on them. Now I just connect them randomly. This is the power switch. This is the USB. This is the throttle. Okay, so throttle is connected. It's time to program the VESC. So first things first, you're gonna plug in the USB cord into your laptop. Go ahead and connect to the controller because this is not a VESC, it's a flip sky. And the flip sky tool just crashed. Everything seems to be fine. I think I should install a temperature sensor in the motor. I have to take the brake caliper off because the clearance is very tight. First of all, I'm gonna unplug the VESC from the battery. I'm just gonna call it a VESC, even though it isn't a VESC. Oh, this screw is screwed. Let's open the motor. The stator has to come out, but I have a trick for that. So I'm just gonna use a crash pad. Bro, trust me, this is so much easier to do. Check this out. This is so easy. Just use this so you can have a better grip on the motor. Now I'm gonna install a temperature sensor in here somewhere. So these are temperature sensors. I just have them from my BMS. They are basic 10K thermistors. The temperature sensor is in there. Let's put the stator back in the case. And now the brake disc. Let me also put just the front cover so water can't get in. Bro, the G2 Master is massive. The G2 Pro is so small. Should I put 72 volts on the G2 Pro? The G2 Master battery on the G2 Pro? Bro, wheeling this thing is so easy. I think we should head home. Look at the weather. A hurricane is upon us. This flip sky controller is pretty good only if it likes your motor. I don't know why. It didn't like my hybrid motor, but this motor just works so good with this controller. The G2 Pro motor. The G2 Pro is back to its glory days. Oh my days. We are about to get wet. This is not a speed scooter, this is a stunt scooter. Wheelie uphill? Oh yeah, peak stunt scooter right here. This G2 Pro motor has some torque in it. It's been so long since I wheelied the G2 Pro. The summer 2025 were the glory days of the G2 Pro. And now it's back. Look at that, bro. It looks so clean. And the suspension feels so good on it. Cat. Holy shit. I mean, it's just slightly unstable, but you are not gonna go fast on it anyway. It's a stunt scooter. Full throttle. Cleanest G2 Pro. off-roading with the G2 Pro. Oh yeah, I only have a rear brake, no front brake, because brake caliper went in the back rooms, bro. Oh yeah, look at that, bro. Bro, it's just flying. This is the G2 Master throttle, by the way. Splendid outside, innit? Infinite wheelie machine right here. We're trying to grab the car. Oh yeah, it's been so long since I wheelied the G2 Pro. Summer 2025 were the peak G2 Pro wheelie days. But maybe summer 2026 is gonna be even more peak. I built the G2 Master a little too powerful. Don't die. Fly, but don't fly high. Fly low, don't fly high. The G2 Pro is moving. It's faster than stock. Yeah, I'm kinda pushing this G2 Pro motor at the limit. Don't worry, I will put a bigger motor on it. I was thinking maybe a G4 motor or something like that. Imagine the power. G4 motor and a proper vest on a frame this small. Holy shit, that thing will backflip. Yeah, but I'm moving. What you talking about? Yeah, but I can do stunts. I mean, bro, the G2 Master is hard to wheelie now in Delta, but wheeling the G2 Pro is so easy. We're going on the road. Oh yeah, bro, that bike line is the shittiest road quality I've seen. Going on the road is much better. Bro, the handlebars are so small on the G2 Pro. Maybe that's why it's a little unstable, because I got used to the G2 Master, which has 810mm handlebars, bro. For anyone wondering what this brake caliper is, the Tankei TB300, and it just so happens to fit perfectly on the G2 Pro. I mean, not perfectly, I had to shave it down up here and somewhere in there, but it fits almost perfectly. So if you wanna put hydraulic brake on the G2 Pro, I'm gonna put a link for it in the description. Ow. Bro, the brake on this thing is so weird. Sometimes it works so good and sometimes it just doesn't break. When I bled it, I spilled brake oil all over the brake pads and the brake disc because I didn't have the right fitting. Listen to the boot up sound. Damn, brother. You can see the whole city from up here. Bro, I'm getting sick. Holy shit. I'm gonna record, bro, flying with the G2 Master. I'm gonna just sit down here and wait for him. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. That was bloody fast. The speed got me talking in British accent. But what? He disappeared. Where are you? Oh, he's there. 114. I mean, it's alright. It's plenty.
I'm heavy as fuck, so...
Yeah, bro, but it was bloody fast. So basically today we made the G2 Pro the perfect stunt scooter, bro. This thing is so easy to wheelie. Now in the future I will put a real Vesk on it and a bigger motor and yeah, all that. Stay tuned.